Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Today's session we're going to look at two instruments. We're going to look at the Brent oil and the natural gas. So we just want to look at like a little brief forecast on what we expect to be happening on those two instruments for this week and also for the coming week. So if you want to find natural gas on the FreshForex platform, it's here. Go to the market watch. It is this one. This is the natural gas. If you put your mouse above it, you'll be able to see a pop-up which says that this is natural gas. So you right click it and then you add it on your screen. So this is how the chart looks. I'll remove this indicator, remove everything, and then we'll start out with the monthly chart. So let's see what happens. So as I was saying, we have look at what has been happening. This is the highest high we've seen so far. The price moved from this point. The price moved from this point, went as high as that point there. Then it came down up to that point, and then it went up again. Then it came down that point. Then it went back up. Then it went down, and then it came back up to that point like that. Then it went down, and then it came back up. Then it went down to that level there before eventually going back up like this. So basically this is the closest we've gone to that level there, and then we have a shape here, have something like that, then you have something like that. So if you are to trade this chart before, yes, so as I was saying, we have a very good resistance level here. So we expect that now that the price is moving downward, it should go only up to this point, touch this level, then bounce back to the upper side, at least up to this level here, where if the price breaks above it, then our next target is this one here. So basically we are looking for a buy. If the price comes back and touches this level, this will be a good place we want to look for a buy from. Within these two lines, the first one is 6.355, the next one is 6.038. If the price comes down and touches these two lines, this will be a good place to look for a buy from, with a first target at this one 9.604. The next one is 13.618. So this here will be the correct place we want to look for a buy from within these two lines. Our target is fixed here, the first target. The next target is this one here. So this is on the monthly chart. On the weekly chart, we should expect almost the same thing. We still have a level, we have a resistance level, there is a break above it. So the price went down. This is a massive drop last week. We still do expect sellers to push us down at least up to this point, but we don't expect the price to close below this zone by the end of this month. So we just want price to touch it so that we can buy it come next month. So that is my opinion on natural gas. I want us to look at the Brent oil. So you can look at this. This is still oil, crude oil. We check the monthly chart. So we have almost the same appearance, the one we had on the natural gas, on the crude oil. We had a very big move to the upper side, at least this one here. We had a very big move upwards. The price went down. It came back up. Then it went down. And then it continued up. Then it went down. And then it came back up massively. So the same drop we had on natural gas, the same drop that we are currently seeing now on this chart. You can see this massive sell despite the fact that the price has been very much bullish. So technically we don't expect the price to sell off up to, we don't expect the price to close below this low by the end of this month. So despite the fact that the price is dropping like this, we don't expect it to close below 106.929 or 104.819. We don't expect the price to close below these two lines. If for some reason the price manages to close below those two lines, then we expect it to continue to sell off up to this point here. Our next target is this one. This is also a good one. Then we have another target here. Then there is a shape which you could have used previously. This is a very good shape there. You can see that. I'm not drawing this because this is a shape we are using it now, but if you are here when this was happening, you could have seen this as a breakout up to this point. This is 141.487. So basically this is a good place you want to buy from, at least up to this point. If the price breaks above it, then we expect it to continue even higher. So let's check the same chart on a lesser time frame. On the weekly chart, it looks like the price is consolidating. You can see that. It looks like this has a similar shape there. And in fact, there's a breakout. So this may be a sign that the sellers, we may likely see the sellers continue to push price down, at least up to this target here. This is 84.506. Then the one at the bottom, this is 83.706. So as it is now, this could give us a good place to look for a sell from. We expect the sellers to push price downwards, at least up to the two lines which I've just drawn, these two lines here. If the price descends below it, our next target is this one. Our next target is also this one. So this on the seller side, we will only buy it if the price crosses above this line. This is 119.872, or if the price bounces off from this line, 83.760. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's session. I will meet again next week at the same time. Thank you and see you.